All my fans, all my beautiful fans, good morning everybody. New day don't break again. Having fans you no love you, people are there but why? When we are supporting Manu there, when we are wishing on him award dinner, congratulations. So thank you guys. Here Bukon City, here hotel the Paloji. So Ipa is a very nice man. Good morning everybody. So Wamana Siko Wawe no here. Why we say no the other. My understand. So normally so but every day also wabo. So why we remember? This Olivier one of Deutschland. Yeah, no 2 year domu. So the talent is very every year happy. My understand. You are here now. So I will prepare the side here with door. Maybe wrong maybe dia. If when I will pardon door immediately and so I am prepare the moment bang we now. So my aro could be tell high papa you. So why here kakabo? Olivier one of Deutschland. I will fast me no bele we me wala oh why ya we me here why support me understand. When I go to hotel, me go with live video view. So 9 o'clock today, na my train day. 9 o'clock. But this journey far. That's the day close to Belgium. Cause we are there very far. The city from this city just they call it Augsburg. Today now I'll move 9 o'clock. If I move 9 o'clock for their train station here. This curtain, if you put this curtain, I will see their train station. I will move 8 to 9 o'clock, yeah. Then I will go to Augsburg for 5:30. This one are direct. But the one I take home, I change for one place. So this one are direct. Only what I have here. I wait to make quick with Augsburg, so the problem be there. I don't know why I'm moving here. But like that one, yeah, when I take home, I never try the moment because it transit. This Olivier one of Deutschland. Oh yeah, did my head. Oh yeah, wrong. So we have to serve. We have to serve. Because oh yeah, no room for Bungwe. So yeah, we have a monitoring spirit. We try and see. So here my dad on mind. So when no mind married here, he will saga my group rent the when he will saga. So what the video guy he him. So away for them. Normally so but we don't take a video. But some people they are very wicked. Some people. Yesterday, I talked to my woman for phone. Somebody can't use no number. They call me now woman. But maybe if you be live video presenter, I don't know. You just call me. You don't know say the phone get speaker. He say, pardon me. You know call mama udogo. We for why he kakabo. Family man for that matter. Why ya? We not with the ticket. We not with like train. We not with pay you hotel. Ouya kakabo. We not with like mon pay you hotel. Ipa or pay you hotel. You know, could we use no buy a thing? Or we know why you know for up your phone, no lay. My way now, all the time, maybe to time my way. We what did you go nowhere? Maybe they try to to talk. You know, okay, we buy the monobale, we pay, we want to thank you, we hear Kakabo. And I was also, or is it gonna go, you know, where you are calling me direct in our home. You know, if one come to Tafia, I see when I tell Sarah, now wrong. So, all those kind of life, you know, good. Men on the journey, Mama, in motel. Everyone may have what the girl motel there. We were here, he was about here, and he get here. Yeah, he had myself. He married a hat, he had me. He may have with a Germany self.
So I'm saving the parts I need to my wish list.
I want to tell you got a new. I went to Makota with me,
Prepare your wish list of life.
When I will call an answer now. Why so all my life video presenters in Yemen? Maybe what in there? With what you may where if I hear or will you ticket? You know, you got to know what you know with your any. More matter motel. Let the hotel Wajira. I wait in my Meridian. Me I watch you there. The aqua no we Bolandrasa. I mean where that for but discover I can again. So the phone here. You can me when you transfer what I did you know. Me why did you make it pa? So what the Muniki you do? Maybe they life a buy me like it, but he go to raw. He go raw. Now where you party no there? Avon iku po be ya ani ko we bayan iku na me bayan asile kida vagi here but now you know that me ma make kida vagi but iku ye gegege e bun gbe no there Olivier e pa Olivier mami we video you know yes me na hin so when me gije na ari me kana mana eme ibe here we feel na me no dey go more viral me ka wala we ku no dey mana here we boy na we vie ma understand so we try we no ma so people that see me yesterday a lot of girls they was very happy to even see me and some of my friends so give you so even bele na be gbera be so in life you not suppose no ma we no ma they say no we saga him. Maybe I will to a man, or I would tell my trouble. I'm mocking with Verana on Dano. So, a lot of people love me. Let him make the open the maybe I will mock Palva. When you could yak bo. When you may yourself, may I go Ululo Yakoyo. So, Hane, Warimena, be careful. Olivier is a worldwide. When you are Gina, you can want the game. Or no argument. You want to be careful with her. Be careful. You must be careful. You are saga. You think that way? So saga. Okay. A lover of Hamebe Okuno, na woman. Now, woman, Mama is a very correct woman. Literally, very now. My was up on all the beds now. The power of my on there we go. Afana. Olivier of Deutschland.
Which one?
Hero.
Only you and you're the potpourri, the changer. You know what? Let us understand. Not call the remember, I mean, I used to start out.
You know everything.
I don't know. Mama Mia.
Me, I don't say I don't tell everything. I get book on.
Wow. I only tell you, if I come from work, I will watch your Package, I love that, though. You know, the
Another popori.
now, when I do that, nothing where you're. I mean,
Yeah, Naija. Who be this one? Now be that one. I be knocking now. This life, you don't know who is who.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, if you get money, like money you get to, money man can. So, but don't bring anybody down.
Happiness is free, you know.
Yes, so.
I said, man, you don't follow them. They do all those fucking saga stuff. Or don't follow them.
Me saga. Me saga. Idu anyanya ona. We na ona yi na. Idu anyanya. If kweta we am ni we saga in ahia. Throat not the pain.
No man, no nonsense. No nonsense that they do. You don't understand. You know where to the penny pass, eh? That Benin where they castigate, where they spoil the name.
But what I can't understand there. What I can't understand. You see most of people who do
I quickly drop one thing for you, no? Okay. It pay me say they make Benin citizens, eh? It's like they don't know the value of that name, Benin. They don't understand what be that they are Benin self is what a country of its own. Now Benin in Nigeria, you know understand? They'll just come out for this free social network media. They disgrace Benin name. They insult my intelligence. Me, I not be Benin, no, but I can identify myself as a Benin. I grew up there. I did everything there. Benin is the best state in Nigeria that you can think of. You talk of hospitality, the number one place we get hospitality, the best of hospitality for Nigeria, as I know, is Benin. So this group of people, they surprise me. Where they for come out when you are here, am I? This and most especially now those ones when they uneducated, when illiterate, and they do all this shit. So my brother, if you are opportune to deal with them, you try to advise them, not follow them, do all those shit. Because
advice. Let me tell you something.
All of them get king when they go chop, eh?
Let me tell you something. You see, most of them, anything you thought they not will hear you. Why? Because they don't get content. Anywhere belle face to get view.
That boy na your friend. Wait till they call her.
No, don't mention anybody here. We don't have a platform. Anything where anybody like me, they do. So
we have
listen to me. If like you don't understand me, they don't get content. As I did so now. Now be that they do every day. I do my life.
You are busy. They not get work.
So they don't get content. They say that madness with their content. So let them carry on with their content. But they don't say this thing where they do so. It will lead them to problem one day. Some of them go there.
That one a banker. That one be like saying person they save money for bank. They must collect the problem. You know
that one a problem to them. Like me, I feel free go anywhere. Like yesterday, after when I don't share award, you say I did book when I can't see you.
Yeah. Sorry.
I forgot party yesterday for do send off. So when I entered, a lot of people men. So everybody they embrace me. I only view one. If I be bad person when they do saga, nobody go one near me now.
No, definitely.
I get a lot of respect there yesterday.
So I beg you.
Like me now, if you go my page for my YouTube, my Facebook page, you don't go see anybody video there. What I want is not to do because why? I get what I they do.
Yeah, you get
video to build my page.
Where you from the come now? You know where you from the come, no? So you don't have to join the do all those shit. You don't understand?
Yes, nah. I know people when they look onto me. I got many niggas. If I do all those, my niggas will come and say, "Guy,
who go paro?" I'll be loud. You know everything.
So I got many friends when they look up to me. I don't confident. People say I disgrace my family. I don't want to disgrace my friends. My friend, they are my friends that anywhere when I go tomorrow, I did Jandu. Now they will be the first person to even rescue me for anywhere when I did. My family did far. As I get family, that's why I say get another family for one side.
So
you know everything now. You know everything. You know how it cool. You know what they make me the always talk and say some of them where they do saga here. So the population of saga people now Germany here the day. Why? Because here in a police country. You see, I think that you did this, maybe you did Germany here now. I feel they cost you for a phone. We feel made each other. But if we see listen, if we see for street, we go walk up past each other like say we don't know each other.
That don't make sense now.
You do understand?
Yeah.
Because here now, you can only cause person. You know if you fight.
Yeah. Now they increase and that make them be like that now.
Yeah, you know if you fight. Even yourself, if you push person like this, that time when I new come Germany, yeah, now come push person like this. Let's talk now push am. I know how much I pay, €1,000 for travel.
So that okay. Now increase the population of with the conference book now there for the fights.
Thank you. You don't see another people from another country they fight. Another country don't do live video. Italy now. You know Italy be now. Italy now Africa. You remember that time where me and those guys get small argument that time we see for front of police station. But they tell us, they look us like nothing they tell us. They say no we fight. They say if we don't fight, they'll come carry us. Yeah, they'll try that kind of thing.
I will want to tell you that say if not here solution to do that.
Maybe we fight. Okay, maybe they say as long as this guy won't fight, so no one rescue us. They say no. They say fight. When you fight, we arrest you.
Sweet. Echo. Top of that one, that time we take out all of them. Not be the able go slow, shaggy, many of the thing reach Nigeria soon.
Yes, now.
Italy, yeah, not be say they're not the one.
But shaggy will come back now. The guy will come
wait long before they treat your fuck up, make it full so that you don't get any excuse where you want to give. You understand? So my brother, coordination not be saying an insult. Echo. The beautiful thing will make me call you this morning. No, just enjoy yourself to go like that with your lovely kids and
you supposed to say get me today. You don't say me na shaky head. From me to a book could not do those nonsense. My brother, they're the man.
No, them for nonsense. Echo. So I just love your style, the way you follow, the way you do your things. You know, you dig beyond your enemy's imagination. Sure, you understand.
Yes,
the least they expected, neither they get from you, no? And so you keep that flying flag going, you know? And don't let one they can't go down your spirit, they want you to they do a picture for one saga or all those dirty things. You don't understand?
No. Don't be get
chance to things like this because my children they come now. So no problem, bro. When you true for this your live video, you trigger me more reason well, no?
Okay.
Last time I become I belong come Germany, but unfortunately, he not come quick me again. I bet you I can't finish. Then from Belgium I come back to this side. I still go France as I tell you.
This say that when I did so that they close to Belgium.
I go Charleroi for Belgium, no? From Luxembourg to Belgium, that's why I still do the work. That made me not come film it up. And my sister traveled with the Germany that time. Alora, no problem. We'll not call the talk life story here. If you don't trigger me here, I better come on me for this stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, brother.
No shaking.
Okay then.
My old friend, my old school friend for Italy. Where did they do this charger? And so, you know it's away. So now so it be. So one thing when I want to tell some of now when they do live video, more award is still coming. So now small. This one are just the strategies. So as we don't do this one now, next time we'll see plan another one maybe by next year. So if they do something, try make it they do what it good. Even though say no me can't give you, another people feel still use my own to learn. But I believe say I'm the first person that we where they use beat, they do award as a presenter. I still be the part of the people because I dey do live video. So I believe now let me be the first person now where they start now. So the thing I want person they start something. Tomorrow another person fit come and say want to share award. So now so it be. And so far I don't start on. So there are still more people that are still coming. So now so it be. The thing I want person they start something. So if people don't praise me, I will praise myself. So it's not easy for me to get time like this to do this thing. So the people, when I still give, so they are very happy. So some of them still called me yesterday. So now so it be. I don't know any of them before. I never called them one day for live video. So now people when my mind carry, when I see say they still they try. So now I still do give. So now we don't receive a blessing to now. So even bid, we know the meaning of bid. Bid now very good something. Talk like so you can't get them for award. So you have to thank God. So say your name come out. So and as you still get that award, the blessing what they follow and they will still give you more wisdom and knowledge. So I don't say fine, but now must do saga take get my view for now on content. But make now still they try to they bring things down. Sometimes when somebody do something, you will still come down, relax yourself, relax your brain. Like person like me now say, I be person where you saga take come out. Fine, if I don't take and take build my page, I will come relax. You will come change. Not be say every day one word, every day one word. You see most of these things when they do so. You go give them a problem for front. No, yesterday na me I know. Go give them a problem from front. Go give them a problem. Party when I go yesterday, the way people till they look me, brother, I will see your good work. Okay, talk like say you will come to do bad. How you go feel when you go cry like that? People come to look you, they bring you down. It don't make sense. And so yesterday, somebody wanted to talk about somebody there yesterday, saying I saw the person be. Now after the person says this nonsense, no, it not concern you. Anything what the person do, you know if you come spoil the person there for where I do. So I follow the person because they say, yes, in are my fans. I say, even though say you be my fans, but it don't make sense. Somebody will not there here. You don't go feel spoil them for where I did. So if you see her tomorrow, talk to the person. You come the verse. Now I will not get. Now I say, why you the verse? You don't drink. You want to spoil another somebody name for crowd. You say, I mean they support the person. I say, person where you don't know. How you going to talk about the person? As you see me, so greet me, follow me happy. You see, I thought I say you don't drink. If you don't drink, you don't feel just misbehave like this. So now advice. As I did so, I don't think go anywhere. Make I go spoil somebody name. No, I will never do that. So now the person, when you see her or you look the person, call the person for phone, say, see where you made mistake, see where you made mistake. Tomorrow, the person will see advice himself. As I did so now, na bid that they do nobody they come for live video. Now only when person won't buy bid, then they call me. So if I see make I they always they pull number, then people they call me. I don't go feel work. That's why I always talk and say if I do live video, I they talk, I don't talk. It go disturb my work. It go disturb my work because I don't try many times. If I dey talk for live video, wetin I dey do, you know the many. Now just say na only look una dey look, but me wey dey do, I know say this thing no dey waka, you know dey go anywhere. Na only when I go fit take work, na only when I no dey talk, because somebody dey talk, e dey work. Na strength person dey use o. This talk na power. Talk na power. Sometimes if I don't talk finish, I'll come weak for ground. If we do woman, that's how the reason I say, live video presenter, some of them they try. Person go just talk, some go shout. I will say, yeah. You see, as I will talk, so later I'll come day weak. If person too talk sometimes, they make person weak. So people go just talk. Whether they burn, I don't know. They will just talk. They know they tired. You get what person they talk, rich. So some of them when they do live video, make una be careful. Some people, the way people tell they vex some of una, e no good. Sometimes you go see say you dey popular, you no dey know say some people dey vex for you. Sometimes you get area where you go because of the nonsense wey you dey do. Sometimes maybe you get some family wey you don build for live video. Those are fit just dey plan with you. If they no dey the city where you dey, you fit get area where you your dey. Maybe they get guys there. We know say country wey for corner courtesy na many pass. Wey me and you know, girls get their own, boys get their own. They go just mess you up. After they mess up the video you join am, they'll go post am for live video. So you be that kind of type when they do live video. Some live video presenters they waka, they go they look back, they look everywhere. But they look everywhere. But that person want buzz bottle for their head. You see say people when you dey curse, they don't fit talk to you. Their family, they are waiting for you. Some of their friends, they are waiting for you. I don't blame you now, and I blame you now, and I don't blame you because you don't get content. As you don't build your page already, fine. Relax. Na small topic they bring come they make people laugh. Come they make people laugh. Not come they make noise again like that for live video. Look for something doing. But now every time if you get family, when you have a family, look now they start and every day when see come and dance, or maybe 2 times in a week. It's okay. You come out 2 times in a week. It's okay for you. I know say una no dey hear advice. Make una get thousands of views. Na that one not be a problem. Without live video, you no go make money. You go make money. Without live video, you go make. If live video not come, that me say may you not work, make you take care of your family. And what did they tell me? Most of these people where they bring Edo people down, some of them, they are not real Benis. Some of them mix with Benin. I know the Edo State general and everybody own. So now all tribe they inside. But some of the we now who they speak Benin language, we go they try, we go they want to they bring some another people down say they are not Benin people. We forget say all tribe they inside tribe. All tribe they inside those states. Edo person, Ishan, which I'm calling those Akoko Edo. Edo State now everybody, not be one person. Oh, if you say Ishan man, Akoko Edo, that Equale, all those different speaking different language, all now one place, all of us. Now one place will be just a different tongue now we can't get from for the language speaking. So some of those people, I can't observe some people for this media. If you look at most of them, they not be real Benin. Say maybe though that is speaking this our dialect where we speak. Some of them mix with mixed blood. But I can't reason and say sometimes say I feel like because of Edo people, now make the open this live video, this Facebook. You can't be like say the thing now on our personal property. You get somebody will tell me this thing one day. Say you can't reason and say I think now I want to get tea for Benin land. Now they take do all this Facebook. That make it say that our property now. So when I go look people where they do live video, population of people where they do live video. Now Edo people are more and still coming. No, they're not gonna get work again. Except go they work, they're gonna do live video. They go don't pursue some people because of this live video for work, but they don't feel come and come talk for live video. Now say they'll see pursue some of Edo people where they comment some, where they call. Somebody go dey work, you go put earphone for ear, you go say he want contribute. And make una dey stop am. All this course una dey course for live video. Somebody go dey live video. You go say call, when you call insult person wey you no know. Person wey dey do live video, you no know am. Na video you dey see am. May I tell una one thing. No be say person dey do live video, na the way you dey see am for live video, no be say e be for ordinary ground. So they can carry light face their self. Then they see different type of lights. You get some light when I go to use now. If I carry and face myself, it is that's why I yellow. Not be as we see most of them for live video, not be so their color be. This phone they change many things. You dey hear wey some people talk am sometimes, say some girl go just take picture. You think say na so dem be for picture. No, na camera. Not be as you take see me for live video, not be so I be for another ground. Like when one tell me yesterday, you say, brother, na so you fine. You say, but no be so you be for live video. You say, very handsome. And I say, thank you. You say, but you look different. If you do live video, you look different. But for another ground, you are a very fine guy. You say your family now say, we dey fine. You say, I didn't see me when me and my woman do marriage. Say, they congratulate me very well. You understand? Not be everybody wey you just see for live video, not be so they be. If you will see and say, you can say, now this man be this. Sometimes phone dey change many things. Some people they will find for live video. If you see them for narrow ground, not be so they be. So you get a color that they press for live video. They go press and you go to say and say you be. Nothing like say you do live video, not press any color. Show us your real face. And this guy talk that and this is a small girl will say, man, this one not be my real face. So show your real face. Not the press color they get to do live. Stop it deceiving people. Stop fake life. People go say people they live fake life. Some people they are still more some of those presenters, some of them they live fake life. Some of them, not be all. So make una be careful. Let me say tomorrow I go somewhere. I believe say one day they go mess some of those live video presenters up. They will fuck them up. When people take the verse, people don't they talk una name good though. So make una be careful. Una be my own. I maybe they start to throw this small advice to una. Una know the waka. Una know they free for mind. As I did so no way when I not feel enter. Except say if you know say they do live video, you go feel withstand anything when you see. You are on your own. Like person like me did so never know say they do live video. I go know say if I do live video, anything when I will see, I will feel better. Yes, I'm a very stubborn guy. When I grow, they come. Yeah, I get stubborn. I get that man. I say anything when I do, nothing they happen. People they like that. But if you know say you don't get backbone, respect yourself. Respect yourself. You are on your own. Now advice, I just dey throw away words. So if you get sense, speak for wetin I dey talk. Wanna be careful. We don't be say some people don't feel go anywhere where they invite them. Some don't feel waka alone. Some say if you invite them, they will ask, this one will come, this one will come. Sometimes you can't go jam back family where they're not going to leave you for waste. Not to say people like you, say you dey do saga, or you dey do this one. What if you do saga? First of all, don't get children. You don't need to come up for this kind of line. You don't popular. Which popularity you can't define? I believe say if I be bad person or maybe I insult people for live video, people say I want share award. You a party received me yesterday, you don't go receive me like that. Or if you say make an answer for my live video, may I not forget like the person who called me yesterday, he tell me say why I not doing for my city, for my live video. We be say now your travel, I go meet the people. Can you imagine people? You say, you know, say na money I spend. You say I for doing for my side now. Or maybe I feel invite them come. I feel see travel so na bad thing. People must talk. I know say that yesterday people will see jealousy. Because spirit of jealousy, everybody will be. Nobody will know the jealous. Including me. Just say this spirit of jealousy, it dey everybody body. Now only beer that would be here. Sometimes if you see somebody now will dress, you will say, I don't like this guy dressing. That spirit of jealousy be that one because it's inside you. Let me say you talk about somebody, let me say you're a jealous person. If you talk say, I beg, I don't like the dress with this guy dress. You don't jealousy that person. Some people they will say, this brother they do big, I don't like it. I just drop, I put follow a body. Spirit of jealousy. So just everybody they control itself. So all my fans, people will really like my work. Make una try. make una like my page. Some people they watch me, they know they follow. You know, good. Now bid that they do. If now this one still they give believe people respect, now good thing. Now still good something. See, I will one no you boy I with you. One day somebody can locate me. I believe say the whole world they watch everybody. One day not be waiting. I think it will come be tomorrow. Or maybe some of the Edo people for home, some traditional rulers, some of the things they watch me. Maybe one day they'll say Omona or here. No, we are promoting TV, we are promoting culture. One day maybe call when I don't expect, now I will receive one day. So let's say you would do good thing, MEC, okay, we will die. You would do good something, better thing, they waiting for front. You know, if it not happen now, it can happen tomorrow. The day will never break, 9 many pass. Like if I yesterday now, the room when I did yesterday, not where I did, so another hotel where pay put. Where for share award, it's different from where I did so. So now as we reach here yesterday, now I tell them say Panaya me will not sleep because it's dey close to train station. See, make I show you. So I tell them say I don't feel stress myself. See, now see train. Now you have for move this evening. So as we reach here yesterday, now here students from other people. So another extra room is still there. See the train station. So as we come for party yesterday, as we enter the room, I say, Panaya, I want sleep. He said, no, get better with the because now that one I heavy pass. I say, no, say, man, the stress. This one of train station with man. This one not be saying you can't carry me with motor again. Come they carry me, they go train station. Now let them just come and enter train. The other one, that one they part backyard because where a party na stadium area where they play ball. Those total footballer. Now the hotel yesterday, now we did. Now they part lodge me put. If I give me better hotel, you still come rent one give am people when he invites. But I'm not tell them say no, I will sleep here. So now that side the part day now. So they to check that side with the family. I tell them say me I don't like it. I'm a very small room. So I say see I dey close to Bano. So I would like to sleep here. So a partner very when I taste is a very nice person. So you get some people where you go meet, get people till they raise himself. You go even dey fun for you. But if I take me as his own, we dance together. If I'm with person where dey shame, you know say if you get some person where will come visit you, you go want fun for the person. So the way party follow me play, we dance, bring drink, you understand? So I look the man like he's a very good person. You know say why they always talk and say, no, I don't know a pan, I don't know a pan. A pan don't get problem. Why they always talk and a pan is just somebody like that. He's a very happy man. Like marking me that yesterday. Like social media president. That's too nice. I beg. Make una still support me. Una dey share my video. If una still give me numbers, I still get 10,000 followers. Not be bad thing. And without 10,000 followers, I no fit monetize. I no go fit monetize. People will watch me, they know they share my video. They will follow this thing. Where you know say you will do saga, you dig your grave down. And it's just like what my brother talk just now. You dey save money down for bank. My brother will talk just now. He say na money that is saved down. Na truth. The bank money, they happy, they want popular. Okay, I finish it. Now they save money down, not be me talking. So and a very good talk now you talk because some of una where they insult people for live video. Now money now they save down and na truth. So now they bully people. not be everybody go dey happy for wetin una dey do, but na think say na good thing una dey do. So una be careful. Hello, hello, mama. Enuta, call double. Where at me? Me real live video. What DV? Okay, ya send this to go, but I'm marriage. Okay, ya send the go, but I'm to go choose me like. Oh man, I no go down go eat breakfast. I mean, a person where I know the tomorrow they like all this. I know they like tea right from the one. I know you're scared. Maybe if you park and go inside, go eat. Or if I make I wait all those hotel food. I dey like African food more than all this food. Obi afi o, yẹn yà vẹ̀rẹ̀ àbí yẹn aró bì wọ́n. Most of them, they are just Benin people. Yama everywhere. Mama be so bo, ẹ̀yẹ́ ebe dé nà ọ̀rẹ́ yà sọ̀rọ̀ bọ̀ so kérékéré nà. So when I want the nice so bo, so and the award, the people go post and give some of una. They will post una own, come give una. So everywhere good. So now only Mom Yore will dey with me. So I still get some things when I want post journey on. So let me can carry am. Maybe by next tomorrow, I will post it on. Pépé, chepe, yes, look at what need to see sleep small. Yes. Oh man, it's Olivier one of Deutschland. When I dey share my work with there, no, I share am. When I share, they share my work. If you know say you love me, hello, hello. Good morning. Everywhere good. Oh. Which country be this? Dublin. Okay. 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 How many you need? Different color. Okay. Like that kind wey you put for neck. One. And which another color again? Okay, 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 you need to one okay, black and red. Let me that like that one with for neck now. Then another one still there. Any other color wey you want. If I finish your life video, I will tell you. Wait, make I send you some first. If you want still do award big person, you still call me. I fit still do give you all na business. You want carry award give people, still give me the contract. I will do for you. Wíwẹ̀ awé fi award lè wọ́n wẹ́wẹ́ tí mẹ́mi á lè rú wẹ̀ wẹ́wẹ́ ìṣàní wọn. So when we like, you say you want to do award, still call me. If it were cheap, you know. And maybe any other can gbé wẹ́ lórí yàrá kankan. But that one really eat material well well. So thank you guys. May I do my call the party this morning. So now bye bye. Now just short video. You never be talking.